Alright, so today I figured I'd do a quick overview of my launch dolly for my boat. These lawnmower tires. You gotta drill them out. Get rid of the square D in the hub right there. I took a piece of rebar and welded it to some angle, screwed it to some 2x. Don't use pressure treated. It causes galvanic corrosion on the bottom of an aluminum boat. But I carry my boat in the back of the truck, not on a trailer, so I'll do a quick overview of the boat too. Set this out of the way. You gotta put corner braces on. Got a Predator Ghost twister. Took some half-rotten wood and built a piece to hold the twister up from hitting the bottom of the boat. And you can see where I didn't build that and it beat on the bench seat. Screwed up that carpet there. Got a fuel line. Run the gas tank and the battery all the way as far in the front as you can. Piece of quarter plate diamond. Light pods on it. Couple of rod holders in your oar locks. These cheap rod holders from Walmart, they're about $8 a piece, and that's a piece of a cutting board. And you drill a hole in it, cut it off into basically an octagon, run you a piece of all thread in there with 2 nuts and a washer, and chuck it up in a drill, and you round it out like that, and like that one over there. 3-gang switch. I need to trim them. Zip ties. I've got a live well pump as a bilge pump. I built a little box to kind of let the water come in, and it'll kind of stay in that box a little bit more than everywhere else. And then I run it out with this corner plate. That way I didn't have to drill no holes in my hull other than for the rivets.